Hi, I'm Big Bob. Let's see what's happening behind the crew door. Come on in.
Today's show, very special guest, Tracy, our future cruise consultant. Thanks for joining us.
Hi there.
How are you doing today?
Fantastic, thank you.
Wonderful. Now, tell us a little bit, in a nutshell, what you do here on the ship.
I am the future cruise consultant. So what that means to you is I can book your next cruise, I can help you with details about a cruise you may have already booked, and I can help you deposit that all-important future cruise.
We want to find out about you. Tell us where you were born, where you went to school, and how did you get started? What was the first thing that got in your mind that said, I want to work on a cruise ship?
Okay, so born and raised Northern England, educated Northern England, moved to a couple of places, moved to Portugal, lived in California for a while, currently live on the beautiful island of Maui. Yes,
wow.
Hawaii, yes, aloha everybody.
Nice.
Indeed, no ka'oi as they say in the islands.
No ka'oi indeed.
Working away on Maui, still wanted to travel a lot, wanted to do a lot of traveling, and actually a friend suggested, why don't you try the cruise ships?
Right.
Princess was the first company that I applied to, got the job, and here I am 5 years later.
Really? Did you go on the internet to apply, or how did you?
You have to, yes. Princess has a website, you have to go through their website. I went through all the proper channels to get the job.
So from the first email you sent, or first time you put in your resume,
yes.
When did you talk to somebody, and when did you get on the ship?
It was pretty fast, actually. It was only about 4 weeks, but I did start with the line as a junior assistant purser. So I did start at the front desk.
Right.
Then I moved to Captain Circle. So I've been the Captain Circle host, and now I'm at Future Cruise, where I actually wanted to be.
Well, I think it helps to do several different jobs on the ship so that you get more well-rounded and certainly a lot more knowledge. And that front desk is you have everybody coming up to you asking all sorts of questions there.
You really do. It's trial by fire at the front desk. You really, it's sink or swim. However many things you want to call it, it really is a challenging position.
Final question. Tell us something that nobody knows about you.
Well, interestingly enough, I am a factory-trained electronic technician.
What?
Yes. So.
Really?
The Ricoh photocopiers that are on the ship, I used to be able, not the current models, but I used to be able to tear them down, put them back together again, and make them work.
That's fascinating.
Yeah, so it's something different.
Wow, unbelievable.
Yes.
Well, that's excellent. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, it's my pleasure.